Hello everyone! In this video I'll show you what you can make from an empty liquid nails container. Unscrew the nozzle and use a metal rod to push the plunger out the other way. Here's what you should get. Cover the hole with your finger and fill the container with water, but not all the way, leave some space for the plunger. Now we need to pour this water into another container and mark the levels on it. Pour out the water and then fill this container with acetone. Next, take pieces of foam plastic and dissolve them in acetone. This is how it should turn out, roughly up to the mark we made earlier. Now you need to pour this mixture into the liquid nails cartridge. Insert the plunger back in. Then turn the container upside down and leave it like that for a few minutes so everything settles to the bottom. Well, now let's move on to testing the mixture we've made. As you can see, this turned out to be a glue that holds just as well as store-bought liquid nails. With this kind of glue you can bond wood, plastic, glass, but it's best suited for sealing cracks in slate. After just half an hour, the wood was glued so well that it's already very hard to tear it off. Just look at how well this glue sticks. And the repaired crack on the slate becomes hard as stone when it dries. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching and goodbye.